So hi, we are at Bendakobe APC. We are starting our solar installation work here at under Project Aquarius out here. So we are installing a 1 HP solar pump here, and we will be giving water to this camp, which is a very important place as an anti-poaching camp in this area. Plus we will be giving water to 2 water bodies, and we'll make the animals stop here. What happens here is there is no water for 3 to 4 months at all in this area. So all the animals actually migrate out of this forest. So we are doing our little by giving water to 2 water bodies, so that some of the animals will actually stop here. There is a regular movement of leopard, tiger, sloth bear, wild dogs, a lot of elephant movement out here, plus the small animals as well. So we will see the water bodies and we will see the entire process of how the installation happens. And Neeraj, please take through everybody through the entire process. Thank you. So we are at Bendakobe Camp. This is the first water body. So what we are planning is, because the installation is going on right now at the camp, so we will be, and the trench work is also going on, so we will be putting in the pipe here. If you see, there are a lot of small fishes out here. There is a small ecosystem out here. We plan to give water here. This completely dries out in summers. 3 to 4 months there is no water out here, so we will give water at this point. So the water will actually fill here and percolate down to 3 to 4 hours a day. The water will fill here. So this will keep the ecosystem alive here. Otherwise these fishes, small animals, these fishes die, and there are other small animals also which don't have water here. Plus there is a very regular tiger and elephant movement out here. So we want the animals to stay here. It is a nice place to get water. So this is one of the points where we are giving in water. Neeraj will show you once the water comes in here as well.